Kita yung brief ng daddy dyan sa Taiwan. Okay. Bella. Hey, look to your daddy, Bella.
Hello, Bella. Bella.
Please,
Bella.
Good-looking daddy grandpa.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi, it's mommy.
You're looking
Mama.
to your mommy.
Come to mama.
Because you don't like your daddy anymore, right? Eh, nung hindi ka pa nakakakita nga, lagi ka sa daddy. Ngayon nakakakita ka na, Bella. Hindi mo na pinapansin daddy mo, Bella.
Bella, come to mama.
Bakit ganun?
Oh.
Nakakakita ka na, lagi ka na kay mami. Natatawa ka pa.
Bella, come to mama. Mama's here. Oh, mama.
By the way, guys,
Mama.
the other day, I think yesterday, Bella said, unfortunately, it's not caught on camera, guys. Bella said, Ma. After a few seconds, she said, Mama. And Daddy get jealous, like, oh, so sorry, Daddy. Yeah, come on. Repeat what you said yesterday.
Ma.
Come on.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Okay.
Mama. Oh, Bella. Bella. Oh, mama.
After mommy.
Mama.
Mommy.
Come to mama, Bella.
Ito
Oh?
Mommy. Masarap naman na may Bella.
Bella. Oh, Bella. Bella. Ay. Cotton cam.
Ganda ng Bella no?
Bella. Bella.
Ba? Hindi siya nag-aanap ng mommy.
Nalilibang dyan sa may curtain.
Nililibang sa kurtina si Bella. Hindi siya nagdaan. Ma'am. Kaya pa na yung tawag ng
Mama. Mama.
You like daddy na, Bella? Or you just want the cartoon? Okay?
Say it, Daddy. Da.
Bella, you just want the cartoon, Bella? I think Bella just want the cartoon, mommy. She really doesn't care about daddy. It's only the cartoon. Bella.